If I handed you a single $100 bill right now, could you turn that into a real shot at life-changing income? Today, I'm breaking down the most realistic $100 opportunity play in 2026. Not get rich quick, not a guarantee, a real structured opportunity where you're not depositing thousands into a broker and praying. Futures prop firms are my go-to investment this year to utilize a small amount of capital and turn it into quit your job income. And by the end of this video, you'll know what prop firm funding is and what it isn't, the exact opportunity these companies offer, and a beginner's first blueprint for how I'd approach this if I was starting from scratch. 5 years ago, I was very broke. Like, me and my wife are staring at our bank account wondering what the heck we're gonna do, bro. And the problem wasn't that I didn't want it bad enough. The problem was simple. I didn't have enough capital to let my skill compound. So I had to find a path where a small amount of money could buy me a chance to scale without me risking my family's rent money in a live account. That's where prop firms come in. Quick reminder, I am not a financial advisor. This is for education only. Please do your own research. Now let me show you the opportunity. When people hear a prop firm, they imagine a company wiring you $150,000 and saying, good luck. That is not what this is. With Apex, you pay a small evaluation fee as low as $18 to gain access to an evaluation account. It's on a subscription, it doesn't auto-renew, and it expires at the end of that 30-day period. So when I say $100 can change your life, what I mean is $100 can buy you a seat in an environment where you can prove skill under rules without depositing $10,000 into a live broker account and have the potential to pull out 6 figures plus from this company. Now, here's where the game gets wild if you actually become consistent. Apex's rules allow you to 20 active performance accounts at one time, and Apex also states that copy trading across PA accounts is allowed. I'm not telling you to start with 20 accounts today. I'm telling you why this can scale from small beginnings into a life-changing opportunity. Because if you can build one consistent process, you can multiply the results later. Let's talk about payouts, because this is where most videos on the internet get a little clickbaity. Apex publishes a max payout per request ladder for the largest account size with Apex Trader funding, the 150K EOD PA. That ladder sums to $20,500 total max across the 6 payouts. And yes, if someone maxed the full payout cycle on 20 of those at one time, that's a $410,000 payout across that cycle. But listen, this is not easy money. That is elite discipline under rules. There's no such thing as easy money. And if you're still chasing that fairy tale, I'm here to burst that bubble and tell you it's time to lock in and put in the work to change your life today. Here's the problem with the normal beginner approach. People throw $1,000 into an app, take random investments, and hope it becomes quit your job income. That's not a plan, that's gambling. With prop firms, you can start with as little as $18 to lock in your first evaluation. And with that math above, that small beginning can turn into a $410,000 payout. The advantage of a structured evaluation is that it puts rules in front of you and forces you to become consistent. But I need to say this clearly. You are still risking something, your evaluation fee, your time, and your psychology. But the benefit with prop firms is that your exposure to risk is much smaller than a live account filled with your hard-earned cash that can be lost forever. So the win here is acquiring a skill under structure, not gambling. If you can master day trading and conquer prop firms, this turns a one-time side hustle into a lifelong sustainable career. Let's do the math that changes how you think. With a max allocation of accounts at Apex Trader funding, you can obtain up to 20 of these accounts. Let's start breaking down what you would have to make per account to change your life completely. Let's say you only made $208 per account each day across all 20 accounts. That would be a profit of $4,166 every single day. Now multiply that by the number of trading days in a week, which is 5 trading days. You'd be banking $20,833 a week. Now, if you could consistently make $208 a day with 20 accounts in 1 month, you'd lock in $83,333 in 1 month. Do that for 12 months. You're locking in an annual source of income of $1 million. The important thing here is with prop firms, you're not looking for that one lucky trade. You're shooting for small, consistent profits that are sustainable over a long period of time. Apex lists many categories of instruments you can start trading, like equity futures, currency futures, metals, agriculture, energy, micro futures, and so much more. That's cool, but beginners don't need 50 different markets to trade in. You just need one. Here are my top 3 recommendations for new traders. The NASDAQ 100 MNQ is the ticker. S&P 500 MES is the ticker. Micro Gold or MGC, which is the ticker on that one. Pick one, learn its rhythm, and build a process around that investment. If you don't have a process, subscribe and my videos will build you one. If I only had $100, here's how I'd start today. Step 1, I would go buy my first evaluation. I recommend if you are brand new to prop firms, buy the 25K accounts. Use code Maniac at sign up to get up to 90% off with your account. The link is down below in the description. Step number 2, I'd pick the asset you're going to trade. For me, I'd pick micro NASDAQ because I like that one. Step number 3, I would start locking in small, consistent gains over and over again. I'm not shooting for the stars. All I need is that $200. Then you focus on preserving your capital, shaping exceptional discipline, and locking in small, consistent profits. If you want to check out Apex Trader Funding, my affiliate links are in the description, or just use code Maniac at checkout for up to 90% off your account. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and I really appreciate it. Just remember, this is trading, not a guarantee, and you need to read the rules for yourself. If you want my step-by-step full series on actually conquering prop firms in 2026, I'm going to put that video up next. Don't click yet though. I need you to first subscribe because I'm documenting this journey. I'm going to show you my wins, my losses, and the real process behind getting to payouts. I'll see you in the next one.